Welcome back to the Auto Chapter. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance cars of the coming year, the 2026 BMW M2 CS. Buckle up, because this one is a beast. Now let's start with the exterior. The 2026 M2 CS takes everything we loved about the previous M2 and dials it up to 11. It's wider, more aggressive, and clearly designed with both aesthetics and aerodynamics in mind. The front end features a sculpted carbon fiber hood with functional air vents, sharper LED headlights, and that bold kidney grille, now slightly more refined compared to previous controversial designs. The flared wheel arches give it a muscular stance, housing lightweight forged 19-inch wheels at the front and 20-inch at the rear. The CS exclusive paint options like Frozen Portimao Blue and Sapphire Black give the car an exclusive and stealthy vibe. Around back, there's a carbon fiber rear diffuser, a subtle ducktail spoiler, and a quad-tip exhaust that hints at the power beneath the hood. Speaking of power, performance is where the M2 CS really shines. Under the hood, BMW has squeezed even more out of the S58 inline-six engine. It now produces a thrilling 518 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. That's mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic for those who prefer paddle-shifting precision. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds with the auto, and just a tick slower with the manual. BMW's M adaptive suspension and revised steering give this car razor-sharp handling, whether you're carving up canyon roads or pushing it on the track. The M2 CS feels like an extension of your body. It also benefits from lightweight materials, carbon fiber roof, hood, and interior trim pieces, all helping to reduce weight and lower the center of gravity. Inside, the M2 CS is all business but with a touch of luxury. You're greeted by M carbon bucket seats, finished in merino leather with red contrast stitching. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, featuring BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system on a crisp curved display. There's wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Despite the track-ready feel, it doesn't skimp on comfort. Dual-zone climate control, heated seats, and ambient lighting all come standard. The rear seats are still there, but let's be honest, this car is all about the driver. As for pricing, the 2026 BMW M2 CS starts around $84,000, which positions it well above the standard M2 but still far below the likes of the M4 CSL. With all the performance upgrades, lightweight components, and exclusivity, only a limited number will be built. This price point is actually pretty compelling for what you're getting. So, to wrap it all up, the 2026 BMW M2 CS is a pure driver's car. It blends raw power with precision engineering and wraps it all in a bold, aggressive package. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or just someone who appreciates high-performance engineering, this one is worth every second of your attention. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what car you want to see reviewed next. This has been the 2026 BMW M2 CS. See you in the next video.